Hyundai has revealed the engine details for the Aura subcompact sedan, and the big news here is that they're all BS6 compliant. The Aura will come with a 1.2-litre petrol and diesel motors, which will be paired with a manual transmission or an automated manual transmission. There's also a 1-litre turbo petrol motor that will be mated to a manual transmission on offer. Helping these engines become BS6 compliant are the advanced exhaust after treatment systems, NOx trap catalyst and diesel particulate filter, all of which help it meet the emission norms. The Aura is expected to wear the same face as the Grand i10 Nios, but we'll know more about the car when it's revealed very soon. MG Motor India is gearing up to introduce the ZS EV in the country in December, and ahead of the launch of the upcoming electric SUV, the car maker has installed its first fast charging station in the country. The new 50 kilowatt DC fast charging station is located at the company's flagship dealership in Gurugram and has been installed in collaboration with Fortum. Under the partnership between MG Motor and Fortum, the latter has installed 4 public fast charging stations located in South Delhi, West Delhi, Noida and Gurugram. In addition, 6 more public DC fast chargers have been installed at MG's dealers' locations in Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. Aston Martin has revealed the DBX SUV at the LA Auto Show. This is the company's first SUV in its 106-year-long history. Aston Martin's first SUV gets the signature DB grille at the front, and it looks pretty athletic because of the sculpted sides and the design feature line to the tailgate with a flip that draws inspiration from the Vantage. Aston Martin will build the DBX at its facility in St. Athan, Wales. The facility sees a new dedicated SUV platform which enables the DBX to achieve exceptional dynamics both on and off-road. Under the hood of the DBX SUV is a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine found in the DB11 and the Vantage. Output is rated at 542 brake horsepower, while there's a massive 700 Nm of torque on offer. The power coming from that engine propels the over 2-ton DBX from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds, while top speeds is rated at 291 km per hour. Transmitting this power and torque to the ground is a 9-speed torque converter automatic gearbox allied to an all-wheel drive system with an active central differential and an electronic rear limited slip differential.
We've had 15 years of sheer leadership bringing you the very best of the world of wheels. If you like the best, subscribe to our channel.